Top 5 money-making apps in 2025 so far.
In 2025, making money online has never been easier, or more confusing. With thousands of apps promising quick cash, how do you know which ones are actually worth your time? In this video, we're breaking down 5 of the top performing money-making apps so far this year, based on real payouts, accessibility, and user feedback. Let's dive in.
First up, Taskverse. This app pays users to complete simple tasks, like testing websites, answering questions, or tagging content. Most tasks are short, and some pay up to $25. You don't need any special skills to start, just a device and internet connection. But keep in mind, task availability depends on your region, and competition can be high during peak hours. Still, Taskverse remains one of the best platforms for quick wins and flexible income, especially if you're just starting out.
Next, we have Lemon Cash, a fast-growing digital wallet with built-in earning features. You can earn money by inviting friends, engaging with the app, and holding small crypto assets. It's more passive than Taskverse, and rewards grow as your network expands. On the downside, some features might be restricted depending on your location. But overall, Lemon Cash is a great option for anyone looking to earn consistently without constant effort.
At number 3, we have a creative combo, Kittl and Redbubble. Here's how it works. You use Kittl, a drag-and-drop design tool, to create artwork. Then, you upload your designs to Redbubble, where they get printed on t-shirts, mugs, stickers, and more. Whenever someone buys your design, you earn a commission. It's a low-barrier way to build passive income, especially if you're into niche aesthetics like kawaii, pink themes, or minimalist quotes. Just note, it takes time to get traction, but once your designs start selling, they can keep earning while you sleep.
Coming in at number 4 is Clickworker, a platform that's been around for over a decade. Users complete small digital jobs, like reviewing images, transcribing short texts, or proofreading content. The pay isn't huge up front, but it adds up, especially if you work consistently. Clickworker is ideal for people who want stable side income, with tasks available almost daily. Compared to platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, it's easier to join, and open to more countries.
Finally, we have the Temu Influencer Program. Whether or not you're an influencer, this affiliate system pays you to promote Temu products and refer new users to the app. You earn money through link clicks, sign-ups, and purchases. It's beginner-friendly, and many users earn their first commissions within hours of signing up. The only catch? You'll need to actively share your links through social media, messaging apps, or online groups. Still, it's one of the simplest and fastest-growing referral programs out there in 2025.
So, which app is right for you? If you want fast, simple tasks, go with Taskverse. If you prefer passive earnings, try Lemon Cash. If you're creative, test out Kittl and Redbubble. For stable micro-jobs, Clickworker is your friend. And if you enjoy sharing and promoting, Temu's affiliate program is a top pick. Whichever you choose, the key is to stay consistent and experiment with what fits your style. If you'd like a deep dive into any of these apps, make sure to subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
Did you find this presentation useful? Like this video to support more content like this. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on money-making tools and digital opportunities. Follow our page to stay informed on the latest earning trends. Share this video with someone who could benefit from these platforms. Let us know in the comments. Which of these apps have you personally tried? What was your experience? We read every comment, and your feedback helps shape our future content.